What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's an early Monday morning and we're about to bid on a potential new build. Hopefully we get it. As some of my subscribers know, the Mustang build was never intended to be like a occurring thing, like we're gonna do builds every single month or something. Unless you're a huge YouTuber, it's very hard obviously financially, and we buy these cars, you know, for us and like for me personally, I just drive it every single day and it's, you know, my car that I don't intend to sell. That said, a lot of you guys were asking to do another build. I was brainstorming ideas to do maybe like a cheap build, but then my little brother told me he's also trying to buy a car from the auction and rebuild it. So I thought, why don't we just do you know, a build together? So this car is gonna be my little brother's car. We're gonna collab, and he's obviously paying for it. He's gonna do most of the work, but I wanted to take you guys along and so you guys can see another build. Anyway, I'm gonna introduce you to him shortly, but first let's go check out the car. So here's a car that we're bidding on, or my brother is bidding on. I'm just keeping an eye on the auction. It's coming up soon. I'm gonna mute the talking guy. But basically, it's a 2013 Subaru BRZ. It's limited, which I'm guessing is the highest package. As you can see, it's got a missing front bumper. It's got some damage on this fender right here, very minor. Could probably save that without getting a new fender. It's got some damage right here, which you know, some dent repair and speckling and painting could fix that. No need to cut this quarter, I'm pretty sure, but it's got more than that. So this is where the most of the damage is. We still think, I had one of my uncles who works at a body shop look at it, and he said he could repair this without actually cutting the quarter. And then my guess is either this wheel or this wheel right here is gonna need some control arms, or at least some adjusting suspension wise, because obviously the hit was really close to the wheel and I'm pretty sure there's some damage there. Interior looks really good. It's got these suede and leather and red stitching. It's a 6-speed manual, obviously. It's got a Navi. It's a pretty high and, you know, good package. Here are the rest of the pictures. This is the best part. It's only got 28,000 miles, so you know, very low mileage. Can have some good resale value. Oh my gosh, here it is. I'm so nervous. Philadelphia, PA is my guy bidding on it. Someone bidding against in North Miami. Our max bid is 5,000, so we're at 3,000 here. Well, you guys can see from here. Whew. I'm so anxious. Yes, we got it. I'm so happy. I mean, it's not even my car, but I'm really happy for my little brother. 3,700. He actually won it last week for 3,700, but he didn't give it to him for that amount. But I went for 3,700 again, so maybe they'll let it go. But we won the bid. Yo guys, it's the next day. My brother's about to pick me up. He's been running around everywhere trying to get a truck and a trailer, but we finally got it. So we're about to be on our way to pick up the car. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm sure he's even more excited, and I'll introduce you to him in a second. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
Yo guys, say hi to my brother.
What's up, guys?
It's my little brother. You guys are gonna be seeing a lot more of him. For now, let's go get his car. Well, our trailer proved to be kind of crappy. Something broke off from the bottom of it and it's stuck. So, not a good start. Basically, a bunch of metal just, I don't know how it happened, but it started coming off. We ripped off most of the pieces, but I guess we're going to strap off this last piece and hopefully make it like that. I don't know how that happened, but it did. We're going to keep going. I think so.
Fender isn't. We'll probably need to get replaced. I don't think this is repairable. It's like right on the crease. There you go. Look at that happiness. The sound is coming right down here.
I wonder where the muffler is. That's weird.
Yeah.
Dude, it looks nice. I like this. Dual climates, you got heated seats.
Put it in gear, see if the transmission's fine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
We're good, we're good.
Nice. Interior's pretty clean. The side airbag is blown like we expected.
Yeah.
Everything else is fine though. So how do you feel about this, man? Psych. Is this the best car you had so far?
So far, yeah, for sure. For sure.
There's more to come, right?
Is the oil dipstick?
Yeah. Safe to say, ain't nobody sitting in these back seats unless they got their legs amputated. Anyway, let's strap her down.
Let's do it.
Yeah. We had no idea how to strap it down, but we overkilled it. You got the other side. Other side's even crazier. It looks like a spider web.
Yo, professional.
Yep. Hey man, it's not going anywhere.
I did. Time to go back.
My man's having a good time locking and unlocking the car while I was driving.
She listens.
Alright, tell her to calm down. Dude, that was crazy. We waited for like almost 2 hours. Like I thought they lost our car or something.
I was expecting like 15 minutes. We're in, we're out. We're supposed to return the trailer like 2 hours ago.
We skipped breakfast and lunch just because we thought it was gonna be quick. And then we're just sitting here for 2 hours. Like, well, next time, probably just hire someone. It's not worth it. Oh well, we got the car. Hopefully we'll make it back safely. You can tell my brother is really happy with the car. We went to IHOP. He ate his food as fast as he possibly could. He's been sitting in his car for the last 30 minutes checking it out. Hands up!
Dude, check this out.
So the trailer that we're using, all the lights on it stopped working and it's pretty dark outside, so pretty much the first cop that sees us is gonna pull us over, probably give us a ticket, and we've got almost 2 hours left of Google Maps to go. But we gotta do what we gotta do, learn some lessons from this, but at least we got the car and we can get started on it tomorrow. Phew, made it home, thankfully without getting pulled over. My brother lives like 5 minutes away, so he's taking the car home. And yeah, I'm passing this build officially over to my brother, so.
Alright, so it is the next morning. I got her off the trailer, got her onto my driveway. I got to take more of an in-depth look of the damages on it, and it's pretty much exactly what I had expected. Needed to spackle obviously both of the quarter panels and pull them most likely. I need to repaint the door, bumper, fender, airbags, just typical stuff. One thing that I noticed though when I started it up, she was very loud, like just obnoxiously. The drone was unreal inside of the car. Reason for that is for some reason all of the exhaust parts, they were all in the trunk. They were removed. My guess is the previous owner had an aftermarket exhaust, and when the insurance came to pick up the car, he just took it off, threw all the stock parts in the trunk. So yeah, the drone is quite terrible, but yeah, let's take her for a first spin. Let's see what this 2.0 got. This is what I mean by drone. It's really quite scary, but it'll just have to do to like put that exhaust back on. Clutch feels very nice. I like it. I thought the clutch would be very light on this car specifically, but it's got some weight to it. I like it. Yeah, from everything I had read online, the biggest complaint people had about these things were how slow they are, you know, how incapable the engines are. Not bad at all. And the handling, oh my gosh, like I see what the hype is about now. She handles like a go-kart, honestly. It's just no body roll at all. And keep in mind, this is stock height too. You know, once I could modify some suspension components, sound like every BRZ owner ever right now, but honestly, what this car lacks in power, I'd say it makes up for it in the handling. It's amazing. Because what shocks me is this is the stock suspension. It hasn't been lowered, hasn't been altered in any way, and on the turns, it is just like a go-kart. It just sticks right to the road, no body roll at all, and that amazes me. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty fun build.
Time to wash this thing down. I start a little bit, but this thing is filthy. And my brother can't wait to have this thing nice and clean. It's probably the most satisfying part when you start a build. That's it for this episode, guys. The Subi's home. She's nice and clean.
Yeah, next episode, I'm going to be getting rid of that drone. I'm going to be putting on the exhaust, taking off all the parts we don't need, like the headliner, the airbags, maybe the fender. So yeah, stick around for that.
Yeah, stick around, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.